Meaning of houseboy.
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 Houseboy. The term houseboy is typically used to refer to a young male domestic servant who works in someone's household. Houseboys may perform a variety of tasks such as cleaning, cooking, laundry, and other general housekeeping duties. The term can have negative connotations, as it implies a power dynamic where the houseboy is subservient to his employer. In some cases, there have been reports of exploitation and mistreatment of houseboys. Overall, the use of the term is considered old-fashioned and demeaning, and it is not commonly used in modern parlance.